Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this good occasion, we want to do a podcast about talking about sharing overseas program. So, in this occasion, I want to talking with my friends about uh, about this overseas program and where they gonna do the overseas program. Okay, for the first, we want to introduction first. Okay, from the left.
Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Farkan Rashid. After that, what? For introduction. Name?
Your major.
Okay. My major in here is design communication visual in 11th grade. That what again? Oh, just that.
Okay, next. My name is Muhammad Nazmi and I'm from 11 Design Communication Visual.
So, my name is Zakwa Rizky Pratama, and currently majoring in communication, visual communication design, and now I'm studying at Aiden Boarding School, Bog Jonggol.
Okay, and then my name is Zaki Noval Putra Isandra. I'm from 11 Design Komunikasi Visual.
Okay. For the second, I want to ask why they interest to follow the overseas program.
Why I want to choose
Why you
follow? Because I want to intercept this program. Because I want to go to my favorite university in Indonesia. I want to go to UGM or ITB. After that, if internship, I want to go to China, specifically in Zhejiang University or Tsinghua University. After that,
And me, why I'm follow the sharing overseas program, because I want to go in this university outside, like in Singapore. It called Nanyang University. It's about technology and futuristic university, and I want to learn about the university from the university.
And for me, my overseas program, I want to get what? I want to join university abroad, especially my first what? My first what? My first university. My first plan is in Saudi. We call what, the King Abdul Aziz University, and my second choice is ITB and Bandung, and my third choice is UI. Yeah, it's that.
Okay. And me, my first choice is going to UIR there is in Riau, and second choice I want to go to UIM.
Okay. So the next question is about the country you want to go to abroad overseas program. I want to ask the program what kind of program you want to follow at that university. Program.
What the problem?
Yes, in that university. Why did you follow?
Oh, I want to follow my internship in outside because I want to I look the program in university is good. After that, I want to try for study in outside, and I want to explore in another country because I'm already in here, maybe 18 years old in here. I want to try go to outside for internship. So that's why I want to choose the university. I want to choose that university because I look the major that is my major. After that, I want to um, I want to study in there. After that, I I want to I want to working in there if I can. If I cannot, just study in there maybe.
Okay. Okay, for me, why I'm choose that university because the program in that university there's a preference uh, from my major right now, and in that university there's uh, there is a program that use like digital and digital and um, and some like IT, and I want to work in their country.
So, okay, so for me, why I chose that university, King Abdul Aziz in Saudi, because of the first one is I want to do Umrah once a month. So, yeah, and also I want to learn about Arabic language, and if there is program that I interest that deserve from that university, maybe I will join that program. So, but now I haven't. I don't know about the program that university deserve. Yes, but maybe if there is a program that I interest that with that program, maybe I will join.
Why I choose UR University because my major in there like design komunikasi visual, and second I choose in UIM because I want to get certificate of 10 years.
Just that.
Okay. And then next, I want to ask you guys, why did you guys choose this country? Start from Farkan.
The first country I want to in outside I want to go to Zhejiang University in China because I want to look the university is good for I want to study because I'm already look for my 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 family. There is my family in there, and he say to me, why you not to China? I want to ask. In here is good for your study. That look you can in here can study the language for language China. After that, this in here your friend is good, and the requirement I want to requirement I look in there is good for your study, and the economies for your study in there. After that, if I want to choose Tsinghua University, I look the I look the university and the country. I look is are good before good from Jiang, but I look in there. There is some maybe in apartment or anything for I go to in there. I look the summarize very expensive for my study. Because of that, I want to choose Jijiang because the economies for economy my family. Maybe just that.
Okay, from me, before I found these universities and in the country, I look for the program that serve good for me and for my future. Maybe if I study hard, I will get a job from their country.
Yes.
And then at Singapore, it's the economy is very high and the environment is good because it's like a futuristic city and not far like China. The technology was very good and it can impact for my my life in there if I live in there, and maybe it won't hard to me for study in there because I have basic of skills and my studies and then maybe if I will get a job in there, I want make a good environment with my friends, and yeah, I think that's all.
What's the question?
Why did you choose this country?
First, why did I choose that country? The first one is the first one because of I like the environments in Saudi. Even though the even though the weather is hot, but yeah, I like the environments. Like there's like a tree, kurma tree, and yeah, and something like that. Um, and also, what again? And also why I chose the second plan is ITB in Bandung, because of I also like the environments of Bandung. Like I don't know how to describe the environments, but yeah, I like the environments. And also the Universitas Indonesia. Why I chose the become the third plan, my third plan, University of Indonesia, Indonesia University, because of I don't know. Just next.
Okay, the question is why I choose the country. First, I choose UIR because that's my that's I want to choose in there because there is my family and I want study in there because that's short from my home. And second, why I choose in outside of the country like UIM in Madinah, like UIM ya, University of Madinah, cause I want to get certificate and just from Sheikh in there. The name is Sheikh Yusuf Abu Merah, and inshallah I will go study too in there with my Sheikh.
Next.
Okay, next question is, do you guys ever to apply before you go to that university, or you look the website maybe? Did you ever try to apply, start from right now, or just planning?
If now I just the planning, because if I want to apply, I want in grade, because in 11th grade I cannot to apply in there because there is a regulation, there is a score in 12th grade in semester 1, because I'm in here still 11th grade semester 2 I cannot apply because if now I just my plan for go to there, if already can I want to apply, but before I want to apply I want to get a certificate language in online or offline course. In China you can study language, there is a HSK 1 until 9. If you want to go to Zhejiang, you want to language HSK 5. If in Tsinghua you want to HSK 6. Because of that I want to choose Zhejiang because that just until HSK 5. That's what we that.
Okay, from me, I have do the applyment to the university, but it's kind of hard because there's a there was a requirement that I have to prepare from now, like IELTS test, and maybe a certification of TOEFL. Yes, and then you have to prepare like some your portfolio, and you have to study more for the test from that university. So maybe I'm just look for the program that that I want go to that I want go, and then I look for the, how do you say, anggaran, biaya,
anggaran
yes, for the budget to go there for going to that university. And then yes, maybe I want to prepare more, start from right now. Start from right now, I want to do that requirement first, and then maybe apply again in that university.
Okay, so for me, what so far I haven't applied any university, even my first plan, because of I still focus on my studying, and also I still focus to find internship, because because 2 months left I will do internship programs, so I still focus on my internship. Maybe after 11th grade, maybe I will looking for the what the name, scholarship in my first plan in Saudi Arabia, in King Abdul Aziz. Maybe I will looking for the what people scholarship. Yeah, maybe just that.
Okay. In this far, I already just plan, but I'm already applied to about the UIR, and I already know what the recruitment in there, and I just need to prepare again in this school for make I study in there good. Okay.
Okay. For the next is what did you guys prepare before going the overseas program?
The first I want to first is study academic. After that, if already done, I want to study language for the language China. If in now I cannot, because I still for prepare for internship in 12th grade. Maybe I want to study academic in 12th grade, but just the side job my side job for study, if I can, maybe after I'm working in like I want to start study language or study academic for preparing go to my favorite university. Maybe just that for now.
Okay, from me, the preparation from now is like learn academic and then the language in there, and I want to prepare my IELTS English certification, but because I'm still in 11th grade, maybe I want do after my internship because in 12th grade I want to I'm going to internship in in company, and maybe after that I want to make a preparation for my overseas program. Maybe I want search a scholarship, and yeah.
So for me, about my preparation, as yeah, maybe I will prepare all of things that maybe I will prepare all of the what apa sih kelas all of material that I haven't mastered it, and also I will read the requirement, and also I need to fulfill the requirement for before I apply to that university, my favorite university. Yeah, maybe I will learn more about the material, like maybe I will learn about the academic, and also maybe I want to learn about again about mathematics and others. Yeah.
Okay. My preparation, the first is language, English language or Arabic language, and second, the budget for going to in abroad and outside of this country, and I need to prepare my Arabic language because I'm going to in outside in UIM, and I preparation too in UIR things like English language.
Okay.
With motivation.
Okay, for the last question from me, what you guys did what advice you guys have for others? Start from Farkan. Advice.
Advice. Maybe for my family, because my specifically my mother supporting me for my study in another country, another place, because my father and my mother can understand my goals for study in another university if I can. Maybe just supporting. After that, the advice for me, um, choose your plan in your favorite. After that, do do, do good. Reach your goals.
Okay. From me and for the viewers, my advice is you guys have to learn more, and for the preparation for your guys university, your favorite university, and then you don't wasting your time. Start from now. You guys do your productivity time for the preparation in your for your university. Maybe that's from me.
So for me, my advice for your for the audience is what stay focused with your future. Don't always play in your class, or maybe you underestimate the material. Maybe you think this material I already understand with blah, yeah, like that lah. So make your parents proud of you, and don't yeah, maybe you focus with your goals and future, just that.
Okay. My advice, first, you have to learn many times, like language or your major, and what? And just then don't waste your time and focus on your goals and keep spirit.
Okay, thank you for guys for your advices, and maybe closing. Thank you very much for watching our sharing overseas program, and see you on the top. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.